Alright guys, I'm gonna just do another video because this thing is not saving correctly. It's fucking bullshit. Camtasia. It's fucking full of horseshit. It keeps not. You can't even save a file and upload it again, and it's slow. The webcam isn't working on it, so. But oh well, it's what I got. So, anyways, just to clear all that out. Okay, so what we're gonna go over is just math in Python. Okay, so I made this little bit of code or whatever you want to call it, and then so pretty much what I'm gonna go over is what the answers are. I'm gonna go over the answers, and so I didn't actually type in true, or 200, or 2, or true, or 10. Okay, I pretty much just put this at the end, and it gave me the answer. And I put this at the end, and it gave me the answer, which is true. And then also same with this, same with this, same with this. Well, this is different. This is different. I'll show you why that's different. And let's go look at it. I'm gonna try to make this really quick. So. Okay, so here we have what I originally, coded out, or whatever the hell you call it. Not really sure. But we have 10 as the answer, as you saw back there, and it's just from actually putting the comma and then just doing the equation, and it prints it out. All equations are done in the order of PEMDAS. The answer to this would be true. This answer to this would be true, and this is an equation. I just wanted to get a longer equation that's using more math symbols, and just so you guys could see what it does. It just prints out the answer right, regardless of what the string says, obviously. So you need the commas there, right? If you don't have the comma, you just go ahead and save that, and then let's see if it, see, it's even pointing to where I took out the comma and saying invalid syntax, line 9. How much is, so we put that back, you'll see that it'll run A-OK, and these are some of the symbols. This is greater than, might be different, I'm not really sure which way it goes with that. Less than. And yeah, these are some escape sequences. I don't know if I went over those in the last video, but you put this backslash before any before certain symbols that aren't gonna qualify to be in the string, because they're the same as that open and close quotes, right? So I need the escape sequence. Otherwise, it just gets confused. The computer does, and that's about it. Pretty simple. You see what math does and what it can print out and everything. I'm gonna make this video really short just so I can upload it, and yeah, that's it.